Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, install failed, installation is corrupt with error code IS-BV04, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Fortnite easily. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to make sure that Epic Games Launcher is closed. So just close out the Epic Games Launcher. Now open up your Explorer, go to your Fortnite directory, and once you're in your Fortnite's folder, go into Fortnite game. Then you'll have these three folders. You're just going to delete two of these folders. So you're going to delete binaries and persistent downloader. So just delete both of those folders. And once you're done with deleting both of those folders, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. And then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just click on your network connection, click change settings of this connection, go into Internet Protocol version 4, go into properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in here 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1 and then click OK again. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly. So if your date and time is set incorrectly, then your computer will have problems connecting to the internet. So just open up your start menu, write here date and time, and now what you're going to do is you're going to set your time zone correctly. So just set your time zone. After that, click on set time automatically and then come here and click sync now. And once you click sync now, wait for it to sync. And once that's done, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up your Epic Games Launcher. And once you're in your Epic Games Launcher, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into library. Now you're going to go to your Fortnite. So I'm going to use GTA as an example. You're going to click onto these three dots on Fortnite, go into manage, and then just click on verify files on Fortnite. And once it's done verifying your game's files, now you should be able to download or install Fortnite, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that installation failed error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.